Hi guys, we'd like to take you along our 80-day winter trip from Georgia out to Quartzsite, Arizona and back with 22 stops, 6 states, and 4,800 miles. We'll give you quick reviews of the campgrounds we stay in, places that we go, fun stuff that we do, and ugly stuff that happens too. Thanks for coming along for the ride with us. Here was our next stop. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. This time we stayed at an Army Corps of Engineers Beaver Dam Campground in the Wasatch National Forest near Minden, Louisiana. This spread-out campground is open year-round and has 28 campsites, of which nearly all are over 80 feet long and many are over 100 feet long. Cost is $25 per night unless you have an America the Beautiful senior card, and then it's 50% off of that. You can make your reservations up to 6 months in advance and choose the site you want on recreation.gov. It has a 4.5 rating and the internet connection is just okay with a rating of 1.9 out of 5. Beaver Dam Campground is located in a beautiful setting among woods, lakes, and hills situated on the shores of Upper Caney Lake in the Caney Lakes Recreation Complex.
Arriving at 264 Caney Lake Park Road on the right.
How are you?
We're good. Karen and Dave Watts.
All the way to the end, that's where the campground is.
Number 16.
Should be able to handle you without a problem.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Thank you much.
I love your video.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Swimming, boating, fishing, and water skiing are the top activities. Bass, crappie, catfish, bluegill, and sand bass can be caught in the lakes. The Sugarcane National Recreation Trail passes right next to the campground and offers varied terrain for hikers and bikers. The Sugarcane Trail was named for the crop that was once cultivated here in addition to cotton. The trail spans 5.7 miles and the Lost Man Loop spans 2 miles. Both are open to hiking and mountain biking. Campsites come with electric and water hookups. The group picnic area accommodates up to 200 guests, while each campsite fits up to 8 campers. A sanitary dump station, drinking water, and flush toilets are provided. Beaver Dam sits at an elevation of 160 feet along the north shores of the 125-acre Upper Caney Lake. The group picnic area is near Lower Caney Lake, spanning 250 acres. Wasatch National Forest, the only national forest in Louisiana, spans 604,000 acres and mostly consists of bayous with bald cypress groves and old-growth pine. Amenities include boat ramp, dump station, fishing pier, showers, water hookup, electrical hookup, fire pit, picnic table, grills with fire ring. The city of Minden has restaurants, shopping, and golfing. Things you need to know: don't move firewood to help prevent the spread of tree-killing pests. There is a camp host on site, and he has been there for several years and he's super friendly. No golf carts are allowed. We have stayed here twice, once in Site 16 and once in Site 15. It is a very peaceful campground and it's great for a quiet getaway or stopover. Although the campground is 9 miles from I-20, we really like this campground. Okay, we're out here in the road. Going to be going into the middle of these two. Yeah, I think we'll be good. Said it was like 106 feet long. There's a tree limb here hanging down just above my head that I'm going to see if I can break it off, but I don't know if I can. I can at least hold it back. Okay, hang on, I'm going to go back there further. I think you got about 30 feet. Keep coming. Gonna have to cut that limb off once we get parked. Doesn't this look pretty? Woo-wee. Now he wants to get over more this way. Looks like we picked the best spot here. Long one. Come on. You got about 20 feet. 10 feet. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's good. That's good. Are you clear from the neighbors up front? Cool. We are here. Want to make sure that the power is working properly first.
Power good.
Cool. All right, let's do it. So that's site 17, and this is our site 16, and there's 15. Looks like nobody else is home though. But look how long this is. We could go on another 20 feet. Nice picnic table. Wow. Big fire ring grill thing here. Double griller. Still have a little extra room right behind us here. And way out there you can see the little dome for the TV. And just look at this. To me this is camping. Off the beaten path, no highway noise. Just super nice. 50 amp water, and they have a dump station. Alright, bring your chairs down here and sit right along the water's edge. Very nice. The host has been here for 5 years. He's also a follower of ours, which is cool. These are some pretty skinny roads with ditches. So I'm hoping these curves aren't going to be a problem. Nice spot right there until water, but
Yeah.
very private.
Oh yeah, it is.
I'd come back here in a heartbeat.
You know it.
This is nice. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.